Hi! In front of me is Nokia C12, and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder. Begin by opening Play Store and clicking on the search bar. Following that, you need to type in Samsung voice recorder. Then install this free app from this developer. When your app is ready, open it. In order to use it, you need to select while using the app, tap on Allow, and click on this red button to start your recording. You can pause it or unpause it tapping on the smaller one above it. If you wish to end it and save it though, click on the same middle one. Now you can name your recording however you wish to and tap on OK. Finally, to access a list of all of them, tap on those headphones at the bottom left corner. As you can see, my recording is over here. If you want to play it, just click on it. If you wish to delete it though, you can do that from here by selecting this pin icon at the top, or click on it in Recordings list on this little square and choose pin icon at the bottom. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Lastly, select Allow in this one.
Alexa, play some music. I will play some music.
Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!